Okay, my name's Nicholas O'Brien. Expert Masonry is my company, and I'm the director, but I'm a working director. Yeah, so we've been running for 3 years now. We're big on checker trade. We have a really high score on there, and we do a lot of masonry work, any brickwork, extensions, garden walls, knock-throughs, anything you need. We can do it, but we also do a lot of pointing work, so a lot of raking out to be done. When we're working for a client, we've got to maintain cleanliness on the site and obviously preventing the neighbours, because often we're doing a lot of domestic work. The neighbours, they're not going to be happy if there's dust all over the cars. And yeah, so obviously if you're breathing this in, it can be detrimental to your health. It can cause really bad lung issues. I'm a cancer survivor myself, mate, yeah, and these particles get into your chest, God knows what they do to you. It's not just you as well, it's the kids who work for you, if they end up breathing it in and then, down the line, you don't know where that could lead or what it could lead to. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using it for your workers and for yourself, for your own safety. Yeah, we've got 3 DV35s and we've got 3 angle grinder shrouds, because obviously we need them in different places at the same time. So we've been using them for about 18 months. Fantastic product. But they're a go-to for us. They're really good product. We use them on every job now. It's our go-to when we're doing pointing. If we're raking out, we're using the machine, we're using the shroud. And I'll be honest with you, the customers love it because they're getting no grief from their neighbours, and obviously their premises is clean as well while we do the job. And the other thing what people mightn't realise is it also cuts down on clean up time. So when we're handing over, everything's clean, everyone's happy, It's a really good system as well. Game changer for me. Yeah, the angle grinder shroud's brilliant. So you just put it hard up with the brush against the joint, and as you run it up, it just goes into it right away. If you do it the opposite way, and there's a right way and a wrong way, as I said, you're going to end up with it all over you, like you say. But once you get used to it, it's a really good. Yeah, so we get people calling us based on the fact that we use this, and it's a very good selling point for us. When we speak to people, we say, we're using a dustless system, right away that impresses them, and it makes you look more professional, I'll be honest with you. It just gives you people a better look at the company, and just makes us look more professional,